y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey. So today we are going to be doing a bag review. This is on the Coach Pillow Tabby bag, so let's get into it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
Okay, so first of all, I've had this bag for a minute now. If you watch any of my vlogs, then you know I had got myself this bag for my birthday, and my birthday was in July. Okay, it's October. So it's been a few months since I had this bag, and I was supposed to do a review and a what fits inside and all of that, and I just really never had the time to do it. But I feel like now is a good time because I've had a chance to like wear the bag for real and use it, and so I could really give you like some honest opinions and stuff like that after wearing it for a while. Now I will say about this, when you order this bag offline off the Coach website and you want it to be packaged beautifully, like I wrote myself, well, I didn't write myself, but I added like a little note for myself because I chose the gift wrap option, which it was free. So I feel like when you do that, you get the bag wrapped up really nicely, and it comes with like a beautiful little like note, and they just package it so much better when it's for a gift. But I've seen some videos where people have just gotten like no extra anything because I think, well, I don't know this to be a fact, but I think it's because they didn't choose the gift wrap option, which I feel like you shouldn't have to choose the gift wrap option to get the bag packaged beautifully and nicely. But that is how you get the bag packaged beautifully and nicely, in my experience. Add the gift wrap option. You can leave yourself a little note. It was my birthday, so I wrote myself a beautiful little birthday message. Okay, and when it came, it really was like a gift. It was a gift for myself. I bought it for myself. So anyway, so yeah, now that you have seen what the bag looked like upon like initially opening it, let's talk about what I feel about it. So this is a beautiful bag, okay? Extremely beautiful. I really thought I was gonna wear this bag in a more like dressy type of a way, but for the most part, when I've worn this bag, it has been kind of like casual and dressed down, but it can be worn either way. And I ordered a chain from off Amazon. I'll get that in a second and show you, but it's so pretty. I love that it has the gold hardware, and it has like Coach on like the hardware. Hold on, if you can see, it has like Coach on all of the hardware. I just think that's so cool, and it has like the little like dog tag thing with the Coach on it. So obviously you see you can put both straps on the thing at once, or you could just have one strap on the bag and just have it with like the top handle, or you could just have it with the crossbody strap and wear it just like with the crossbody. Whenever I wear it crossbody, even though I'm wearing the crossbody, I always have the smaller strap on it too. I just like the way it looks. I am not particularly like delicate, and I don't baby my bags and stuff like that, and this is a light color and it is a very soft, you know, leather that kind of needs to be baby, but I have not been babying it. Like, I just don't, because a lot of the times when I'm wearing a bag like this, I'm going out and I'm usually gonna be having like a cocktail or something, so I'm not paying attention and trying to be like super delicate. Now, I'm not throwing the bag all around, but I'm also not like being super like, you know, just like baby in a bag. But with that being said, this bag is still in great condition after, listen, and I've been wearing it up. I've been wearing this bag a lot and it is still in great condition. On the Coach website, it does say that if you ever need to get your bag cleaned, you can take it in to get it cleaned free of charge, which I really appreciate. I just really love this bag with like the gold around the C. It is just so good. I love these colors together. Like, this color combination is so pretty. So the crossbody strap, it does have a lot of holes for you to like adjust, and what I love the most about this crossbody strap is I don't have to worry about this little thing that keeps this in place moving all around. That's the only complaint that I have about my Marc Jacobs the tote bag, is that this little piece on that bag is so, it just be all over the place, so it makes this part come out. Look, see, I could barely even get it out. It makes this part come out a lot, and I hate the way that look when it's just like flapping around, you know. So I really like that on this bag. This little piece is sturdy, okay? Mama is not going anywhere. She is not gonna pop out of that pocket, and I really like that because it helps to make the bag look more sleek when you are wearing it crossbody. So because this bag is beige, and I'm not like, you know, I don't baby it, but I'm not crazy either. So when I am putting it away, I do store it in like its dust bag that it came with. I was kind of annoyed that this only came with one dust bag because it has 2 straps. So I feel like it should have at least come with another dust bag for you to put your straps in. But unfortunately, you kind of have to put everything into this one dust bag, and it's really not that big. But everything fits in there. I just would have to, like when I put it in a dust bag, I have to detach the crossbody and roll it up and put it in there like that. But I do store it in this dust bag because I don't baby it, but I'm not crazy. Okay, so the strap, the extra strap that I got from Amazon for this bag is from this company. I will leave it linked below. And if you're interested in the bag, I'll leave the bag linked below too, because I really do love this bag. This is a super cute bag and I would definitely recommend, but only if you like small bags. They do have a bigger size. This is the Pillow Tabby 18, I believe, and they have a Pillow Tabby 26, so you could get the bigger size if you want it. You know, I'll leave both linked if you are interested, but if you like smaller bags, then this is the bag for you, because I feel like for me, when I'm going out and about and hitting the town, I'm not trying to carry a bunch of stuff with me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want a smaller bag that I could just put like the most needed items in to bring with me. But anyway, we get into the strap that I got from Amazon. So this is the strap right here. It has these kind of hooks. So this is what the bag looks like with the gold chain attached. Super cute. Now let's take off the crossbody. So here we literally just have the chain hanging and the top handle, which is so cute. Okay, it does hang a little low. Do your chain hang low? Do it wobble to the floor? But it still is cute to me. And if you wanted to just like have it hanging like this, super cute. And then let's see her with just the gold chain strap. And this is what it looks like if you just use like the gold chain as a strap, which is still, again, super cute, even like just by itself. Really cute. Get into it. This is so cute. This is really the only way I would wear this like on my shoulder with the chain, because it gives it a little bit of extra room in between. But like, how cute is this? And look, what if you wanted to just have it as like a little clutch with no strap? You could do that too, girl. As I showed you already, this is what the inside of the bag looks like. But girl, you can't really fit much of nothing in here if you wanted to close comfortably without like having to force it closed. And for me, I don't like to have to force it closed. If I have to force this closed, I take something out, because I don't want to do that. I don't want to stretch the bag out and all of that stuff. Oh, but I thought you said you didn't baby the bag, girl. That would be, I feel like that would be a form of baby in the bag. Let's get into what will fit in the bag. So I'm about to get like the main stuff that I usually will put in here. Okay, so this is my little pouch thing that I have on a regular basis that has like my main stuff in it. So I'm going to take out my card holder, which this card holder is a little bulky, you know, because it has so many different compartments, and this is like my card holder for where I use this a lot. So I have all my cards, I have my insurance cards in here, and like, you know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of stuff in here. So I usually have that chapstick, and I usually have a face powder and a brush. So let me go get that. Okay, so I'm pressed for time. I can't find my actual face powder that I use, but it's this same powder. It's just a newer one, like this I use for my wigs and stuff, but I don't know where that powder is. Probably in one of my other bags. I would have to really go look for it. But a face powder, and then a makeup brush. The brush that I normally use will probably be wherever the face powder is, but I'm just gonna take this one, and I always put it in a Ziploc bag because I just don't want to get any makeup on like the inside of the bag. So I just put it in a Ziploc bag. That's probably nasty, huh? Don't tell nobody. Cause like, you know, the inside of the bag is leather, so I don't want to dirty it up. So yeah, I put my card holder in the back. I'm gonna show you once I'm done. So this is how it looks when I have all of the stuff in there. The makeup brush is under the card holder, and the chapstick is under the hand lotion, and this is the face powder. Like I said, for me, this is like the main stuff that I need when I'm like going out. And for keys, I never put my keys in my bags anyway. I usually just have my keys in my hand, because for me mentally, I need to, that's how I know I have my keys. So I am having to force it closed. Was something in the milk ain't clean? What's the problem? Okay, so for whatever reason, the bag is, I'm having to force it closed. And like I said, I don't like to force it closed. So I just took this out, which was just like the hand lotion, and it's definitely easier for me to close, and it's closer to the thing. So then you just find the, what's the name, is magnetic, so it'll like do it. But see, I didn't have to like force it. When I feel like I gotta do that, it's too much stuff in there. I just like to let it find its hole, and then boom. So that is really like all the stuff that you would be able to fit in here. Well, me, obviously, if you have like a flatter card holder, that will really like free up some space. But for me, like, that's really all that I put in this bag. That's really, for me, all that will fit in the bag without it feeling super stuffed and like it's gonna be like stretching and all of that. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know down in the comments what you thought. Like I said, if you are interested in the bag, I will leave it linked in the description box for you to check it out, as well as the chain from Amazon. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you thought. Do you have this bag? Have you seen this bag? Are you feeling this bag? Is it a no for you? Like, I want to know what you think. Let me know down in the comments. I will catch you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.